Hmm? You got so many pin feathers on your head. You poor boy. I know. You're a good boy. You're my good boy. What are you doing? Huh? I don't know. What are you doing? Can I scratch your head? Hey, you want scratches? You gotta come back? Or you want to step up? Hmm? Are you saying bad words again? Huh? Don't say bad words. These cybers. Huh? Where are you going? Where are you going? I know. Hey. Yeah. You're a baby. I'm right here. I can't reach you. You're high up. Yeah, little baby birdie. Good. Yeah. Scratches. Can I scratch your head? Oh, you're gonna scratch your head. Yeah? Well, you gotta put your head down if you want me to scratch for you. I know. I know, Birdie. Come on. Scratches? Aw, you love me, buddy. I know. You're a nice boy. I know. Yes, I'll let you puke on me. Yes. Yes. You're gonna regurgitate on me? Yeah, you're trying to share your food? Well, I gave you banana. You think I need more banana? You're a good boy. Come on. Step up. Up, up. You gotta step up. Uh-oh, don't fall. Mama, you're gonna fall. Don't fall, Birdie. I'm not gonna let you fall. There, got you. Good boy. What are you doing? Huh? Yeah. Huh? You got a lot of new words now, hey? I know you do. Yeah, you are a birdie. Are you a good boy? I do want kisses. You're gonna give me kisses? Yeah? We'll do kisses. Can you do kisses? Yeah? Where's your kisses? Kisses. Good boy. Yeah. You really want to give me your food, huh? You want me to get some bananas in the kitchen? Yeah? You gotta step up. Let's go get bananas.